Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. This video is regarding about your project and assignment for the week 1 round 2 for the subject of computer science. First I'm going to discuss the project with you people, that what is your project and how to complete it, what are the steps, and how you have to submit your project as well. Then I will discuss the assignment with you people. Remember that your project has 5 solid marks, so if you will complete it you will get 5 marks, and if you will not complete it you will lose marks, and it will definitely affect your assessment result. So please prepare the project and complete it on time. So beta, your project is draw or prepare the architecture of computer. We have already discussed about what is the architecture of computer. Your architecture of computer means we are discussing the internal layout of the computer system. Your internal computer system consists of so many things. It has a processor, it has RAM, ROM, it has cache, memory, hard disk, etc. So what you have to do, you can either draw or you can paste the picture of the internal components of a computer system. You have both the options. If you are good in drawing, you can draw the pictures, or if your drawing is not that much good, then you can paste the pictures. And now how you can paste the pictures, you can get the printout from the computer by using the internet, and you can get it cut and paste it. You can paste those pictures on some chart paper or on a thermopole or on some colored papers, and then you can ribbon it or tie it with a ribbon. You can paste the picture of RAM, ROM, microprocessor, your ports, expansion slots, cache memory, buses, your internal memory, hard disk, etc. There are so many things inside the computer system. You can choose at least any 5. You have to do at least 5 components, but you can choose more if you can, but 5 is mandatory. Then what you have to do, you have to write the important points about each component with the pictures in the form of the bullets or in the points form. After pasting the pictures on the chart paper or on the colored papers, what you have to do, you have to write some points about each internal component that you have pasted or that you have drawn. Now this is just the way in which your project will be presented. Let's come what you have to do in the written form. Your written work, this work should be done by students only. In this work nobody can help you, so that should be in your own handwriting. You have to mention the week number, your project title. Your project title is architecture of computer. Then you have to mention the subject, and then you have to mention the date of submission. Date of submission is the date on which you will upload your project on the AIS. Then in first thing what you have to do, you have to mention the resources. Your resources include everything through which you have taken the help and which you have used in completion of your project. For example, you have used pages, you have used internet, you have used markers, colors, glue stick, everything that you have, every single thing that you have used, that will be included in the resources. You have to put it in the form of list. Then you have to mention all the steps from step 1 till the end of step. What was your step 1? For example, your step 1 was to search from the internet about internal components of the computer. Then your second step would be that you have collected some material from the internet, or you have shortlisted some of the material, then goes on. So you have to mention all the steps. Then third thing which you have to mention, you have to give the findings, your results, your conclusion, or the summary of overall of the project. You can conclude your project. Conclusion or the summary is more suitable for this project. Then fourth thing that you have to mention in your project is who helped you. You have to mention your relationship and his or her name, just a name and the relation with that person. Then you have to write a thank you note and attach it. You have to write a thank you note to that person who has helped you, and then you have to attach it. Then you have to attach the picture of project as well. You can also attach the video or the presentation if you have made. That is not a mandatory thing, but if you will do, you will may get some extra good marks. Then what you have to do, you have to complete all these things and then you have to submit your project. Then there are some marking indicators regarding your project. What is it? Remember that these marking indicators are only for computer science. I will mark you, I will give you 2 marks if you will use the correct tools. I will give you 2 marks if you have completed all the steps, and 1 mark will be for the presentation. So overall it is 5 marks project. I hope the project is clear to you all. Let's come to your week 1 round 2 assignment. Your assignment is you have to differentiate between RAM and ROM in 3 points or more than 3 points, but at least in 3 points. 3 points are mandatory. Then what you have to do, you have to write why cache is faster than RAM and the ROM. What will happen if we remove the ports? What will happen to the system unit if we will remove the ports? You have to give the answer to this question in like 4 to 5 lines only. So this is your assignment. Your assignment will have separate marks that will be included in your assessment. Your project has 5 solid marks and your assignment has separate marks which will be included in your assessment. So complete both the things on the time, upload it on AIS, and definitely you can get help if you want. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.